It's without a doubt that Nairobi, the Kenyan capital, has some of the best infrastructure on the African continent. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you those places that you must visit when you're in Nairobi. So in case you're planning your next trip to Nairobi, Kenya, these are the places that you should visit to get that real feel of the Nairobi city. But before we get to those places, my name is Gani and this is the African Myths Show, where I spread good vibes about the African continent. So if you want to learn more about the African continent and African culture in general, please consider subscribing, turn the bell notification on as well so that whenever I have a new video out, I get you notified. And also at every end of my videos, I share a free Swahili lesson. This is simply because Swahili is the most spoken language on the African continent. So be sure to look out for that. Nairobi was declared the Kenyan capital in 1963. This was right after independence from the British. But over the years, Nairobi has kept on growing and expanding into one of the biggest cities on the African continent. The Uhuru Park has some of the finest gardens and parks in Nairobi city. So if you want to relax yourself and have that fresh breath of nature, this is the best place you should visit in Nairobi city, and I'm sure you'll be given that nice treat by nature. The park offers a wide range of fun and exciting activities such as boat riding, camel riding. Then if you have friends and family around, you can also go for a picnic in this very park. This recreation park features a variety of natural play areas for children, an artificial lake, several national monuments. If you ask anyone in Nairobi city, they'll tell you that this is one of their favorite places to be around Nairobi city. So if you want to visit this park, you can find it on Langata Road in Nairobi city. The Nairobi National Museum is the center of all museums in Kenya. It is located on Museum Hill. The museum showcases Kenya's rich heritage with 4 distinct themes, basically representing culture, nature, history, contemporary art, and other attractions. So while at this museum, you'll find the Snake Park and Botanical Gardens, as well as the state-of-the-art auditorium that occasionally hosts concerts, films, and other events. You'll also be able to grab yourself a snack and drink while at the museum. It opens from 9 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening. For the safari lovers, in Nairobi city there's the Nairobi National Park, so you don't have to leave the city for you to have that experience of the safari. I would say Nairobi has it all. The Nairobi National Park offers wildlife experience to both local and visitors from around the world. It is home to many animal species like elephants, lions, rhinos, and many more others. I would say the Nairobi National Park is the only place on the African continent where you're going to get an opportunity to see animals in their natural African surrounding, right in the heart of the city. And if you want to check out the Nairobi National Park, you'll find it on Langata Road in Nairobi city. The village market is a regular place for everyone around Nairobi city. The market offers an extensive shopping center and leisure facility. It captures the Western lifestyle mixed with African culture. This market has over 150 shops, which include restaurants and bars, cafes, and then a 12-lane bowling alley. So if you love bowling, this is the best place that you should be. There is also the 9 high tide water slide, the new metro cinema hall, the Maasai market, and so many other entertaining places to visit while at this market. It's a great place to relax and have fun with family and friends. So if you're around Nairobi, this is one of those places that you must visit because it gives a real experience of the Nairobi city. And if you want to visit it, it's found on Limuru Road in Nairobi city. The Paintball Fury is one of those places that you should visit when you're in Nairobi city. If you're one of those that loves the paintball game or outdoor games in general, this is one of the places that you're going to be visiting when you're in Nairobi city. They have some of the best costumes for the paintball game, which makes this game so exciting while you're playing with maybe your friends or family. So you'll have a real experience playing the paintball game in Nairobi city. For the location, you'll also find it on Langata Road in Nairobi for you to have that real Nairobi experience. Those are my top 5 picks when it comes to the places that you should be visiting while in Nairobi city. And for our Swahili lesson for today, when you're saying hi to someone in Swahili, you tell them mambo, and then what they basically answer you back is poa. So you're basically trying to communicate to the other person, saying hi to them, and then they say hi back to you. But in Swahili, you would say mambo, poa. So basically, this is how you're going to get along with people around East Africa and some parts of Southern Africa. If you've liked this video, please leave a like on it, and also don't forget to please subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on as well, so that whenever I have a new video out, I get you notified. Thank you so much for watching. Watch the next one.